Welcome back, babes, to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Sensational Bob in the style Keisha. This is going to be the color 1 that I'm going to be reviewing, but they also have other colors. So strand of the pack sheet is bouncy. There was no shedding, no break offs or anything. This is the middle part unit, so you cannot part anywhere else. Look at that shine, look at that bounce, y'all. I don't really do bobs like that, but I think I like her. So next I am going in with my eBend lace tint spray in the color medium brown, and I'm just spraying the lace. Then we're going to put a little heat to it to make sure it is all nice and dry. I think she is giving scalp already. What do you guys think? Now we gonna be a little honest here. She is snug. She is a snug fit. So if you are little swollen on the head department, I don't think she will be able to fit, because I struggled a little bit putting this wig on. But as you can see right now, I'm just putting the combs down and just making sure everything is nice and tight. And as usual, we're just going to go in and cut both of the ear tabs off on the sides. So in my last video, I really didn't have enough time to really do my usual cutting. So today I am going to go back to cutting my lace into 3 so that I can be able to glue each tab down separately. And I am going in with my Kiss Lace Bond adhesive spray. I don't know, I have used eBend spray and I also use this one. I don't know what I like yet, y'all. All my synthetic girlies, can y'all please comment and tell me if y'all used this before, what y'all think? This versus the eBend spray. What do you guys think? Which one do you guys think has the most firmest hold? I will say with the eBend, it does give me a hold longer than this actual adhesive, but I normally be snatching these wigs off, snatching them off, put more on, so I think this is perfect for it,
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
We split the lace in three. It just normally gives me a better grip of the lace, because sometimes when you're going in trying to cut, you know, your lace be looking real crazy, and parts be glued down, some parts not. You have to constantly go back in and spray. So with this method, I just find it's just easier to cut the lace. It's easier to lay. just going to go along the part just to give it a little bit more definition. And let me know what y'all think.